Okay.
Hi everyone, karibuni tena to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness with our team from Elixir and Lolwe. Today we've got Hans again. He's been promising us for 2 months. Today we've got him. Aya, don't forget, you can catch us here Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 5:30 a.m. and interact with us on the socials. Hashtag Lolwe TV Kenya, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, Lolwe TV Fitness. Sorry. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. On YouTube is Lolwe TV Fitness, Lolwe TV Kenya. Asanteni sana for joining us. Don't forget, grab some water, grab a mat. Today we are mainly on the floor. So if you have got a mat, that's fine. If you haven't, grab a towel. Or if you've got a carpet, that's fine too. Karibuni sana. Let's start with a bit of a warm-up hapa. Yeah. Warm-up yetu leo itaki makasiriko. Leo tu ni very polite on the ground. Ukiumwa na tumbo kesho, please usitublame. Lakini si ile tumbo ya ndani, ya hapa nje. Ya ma-abs. Yeah? Let's just walk. That's it. Aya, step it here. Step it. Step it. Aya, cross and step. Coach Benza, umesema you're styling it up. Aya. Now just really push it out here so that we can warm up huku. Tutazitumia. Of course. Very normal. Coach Benza, you make me laugh. Right guys, let's get on our mats. So today clubs is plank crunch. So we're here, push here, push here. Remember, stay in plank. All the stuff that I'll do, even though on the cards it might be a 3, it'll be a 4 so that it balances. So all the plank crunches are going to be even numbers. Yeah? So msishangae sana hizi cards hazina odd numbers when it comes to that. Yeah? Donkey kicks here. 2 ni 2 tu. Na kutakuwa na 1. Aya. 3 haiwezi kuwa 2. Let me we count up. So remember here we're with the donkey kicks, make sure you're on all fours. Here's a 90 degrees. Here, your elbow is directly in line here with your wrist, and it's not that, it's there. Yes. So you're making it so that your heel here is parallel with the ceiling. Yeah. Come back to the beginning. Here, you do alternates. Yes. This is another one that we will not odd numbers. We're going to have double digits. We're starting. So we're starting with a plank crunch times 6, please. So we're here. You can either do that or you can do a full plank here. Come in. Coach Benza, we've started. There you go. Drop your bottom down a bit, Hans. There you go. So keep it there. So don't dip. Do not dip. We're here. Keep that plank. Usiforce issues. Okay, 6. And then diamonds times 3. This one is leg raises. Let's go. This one we can do 3. Remember, with the leg raises, we can just do those ones. 3. Or for the more advanced amongst us, go down all the way, touch down, Hans. Touch down. All the way up and push just for 3, and then we're going back into those plank crunches, please, for 8. We've got 7, but we're going for 8. Yes, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we've got spades times 10. Yes. So donkey kicks, making sure if you've got issues with your wrist, you can go here on your fist, yes? Right, let's go. So alternate, come back, come up, good, slow. So 1, 2, alternate hands, alternate. We're going up to 10. 1 on one side, 1 on the other. Really go up until you feel those glutes. Squeeze. Hard. 10 times bridge, followed by 8 donkey kicks. That's 7 to not, what is it called? Rounding up. Right, let's go. 10 times. Bridge, please. Bridge, Coach Benja. Oh, you're making it more interesting. For those who are more advanced, follow what Coach Benja is doing over there. Beginners, stick with me.
Tell me how you
and hands. Hey! 10 times. Hearts. 10 more bridges, please. 10 more bridges. And then clubs, planks, 10.
Hello,
let's
madam.
go.
Tell me how you doing.
Remember, for the more advanced amongst us, Coach Benja, over there. Very good, hands. Squeeze that bottom on the up. Good work. Okay, let's turn round into that plank, please. So make sure that you're feeling it in your abs, and then we'll go.
Tell me how you doing.
Eight, 9, 10. Okay, we've got diamonds. Leg raises times 2, please.
Tell me how you doing.
Okay, hearts, bridge times 9, please. Let's go.
Hello, Modala. Tell me how you doing.
Squeeze at the top, squeeze that bottom. Back down, squeeze. So we're counting 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. We're going for 9. Make sure you're really feeling this up here. That's it. For those who are more advanced, please follow what Coach Benja is doing over there. 10 times, clubs, crunches, not crunches, yes. Plank crunches, please.
Tell me how you doing.
Yeah. Let's go. We're staying in plank. Try not to dip your hips or raise them up too high. We're staying in that plank position. And then 4 times donkey kicks. Remember, with the donkey kicks, it's literally wrist in line with your shoulders and raise up, alternate. And then 4 leg raises, please, followed by 2 bridges. Slow down, Hans. And push that bottom up. Push your hip, that's it, better. Good. 2 times, hot. 2 times bridge, please. Let's go. 1, 2, and up we get. Yeah. Those at home, please remember, stay hydrated, yeah? Usishikwe na kiu. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. Then you're already facing dehydration. Yeah? Aya, we're going on. Spades. 10 donkey kicks, please. Let's go. Alternate, remember. And don't do that. None of that funny business. We're staying straight here. Eight, 9, squeeze your bottom on the top here. 10, right, clubs. Plank crunches, yes, let's go. Time 6, plank fast. Touch, so don't tilt too much on the wrist. That's it. Well done. 10 times, hot. 10 bridges, please. That's it. Squeeze that bottom on the up, making that nice line here. Squeeze that bottom on the up. That's it. Eight, 9, and 10. Right, 5 times, diamonds. Leg raises, please, times 5. So remember, guys, we're not going up here, we're going here. And if you can't raise your bottom off the ground yet, just make that movement so that you can feel these engaging, yes? Good. 8 times clubs. Plank crunches. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands drop your bottom for me. Slow down. Slow right down. That's it. Deliberate. Yeah? 10 times diamonds. 10 times leg raises, please. Let's go. Good. Control. Both ways. That's it. Hey! Ako kameingia. 3 plus 10 times bridge, please. Let's go. 13 bridge. Let's go. That's it. Remember, thrust here, squeeze that bottom. Three more. 2, 1. Well done. Aya, spades. Donkey kicks times 10, please. Hey. Alright, let's go. Alternate. Like walking. Apple. Good. So remember, we're not raising our hip. We're not turning the hip. It's literally very controlled here. Squeeze at the top there. Clubs. 10 times. Practice, please. Let's go. Into plank. Twende. Slow. Drop your bottom for me, please. Are you starting? Drop your bottom for me, please, Hans. Higher. Hot. 10 times bridge. No, 8 times bridge, sorry. And then 9 times leg raises. Let's go. Squeeze at the top. Slow down and squeeze. That's it. Hey. Aya, diamonds, leg raises times 9. Okay, let's go. Hey. And last one, let's get up. Hey. And just walk it out. Have some water if you need. Well done everyone for sticking with it and for joining us today. We're just going to have a stretch and then we're done. Yeah. Hans, how are we feeling? Got better? Yes. Tuko sawa? Yeah? Let's continue. Another day. Guys, don't forget, you can join us here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Furahi days. Have that workout before you go through right here. Before or after work. And hold it. And push forward here. Make sure when you push forward, you're really pushing forward and feeling that stretch along the back of your shoulders here. And bring it forward. And hands here. Really push out so you feel that stretch along the front of your shoulders here. And come down. Touch the ground if you can. If you can't, just reach as low as you can. It's a static one. And move closer with your feet. And if your hands are on the ground, aim to keep them there. And again here. Feet together. Aim to touch the ground. And come up. And reach up. Knees together, pull back, upper body nice and straight. Do not lean forward. Lean back here. And bring that hand in. And hold it there, bring it as high up as you can. Other leg. Knees together. This is also for your balance. And bring your hands in. Bring that knee up. And bring it down here. Reach. And come down. And you can just bring it a bit from side to side here. And really feel that stretch along there. And let's go down one more time. This time you should really be able to feel a bit like you're going a bit lower than you did before. And take a deep breath in as you come up. And out. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us again. Don't forget, as I say, we are here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5:30 in the morning. And if you miss any of the episodes so far or in the future, Lolwe TV Kenya on YouTube, Lolwe TV Fitness. You can catch us on the socials, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com. Asanteni sana, and join us again next time.
Okay.